Good afternoon and welcome back to Learn Haitian Creole. Today's video is going to be really short and we'll be going over the months of the year. January is Janvye. Janvye. Okay? Janvye. One major thing that happens in January in Haiti is Independence Day, pumpkin soup. February is Fevriye. Fevriye, okay? On February 7th, the day Duvalier left, the sun, we celebrate that day. March is Mas, okay? Mas. In March, we celebrate Carnaval, okay? Carnaval, Mas. So April is Avril, okay? Avril. During the month of Avril, we celebrate Pâques, which is Easter. Another thing that takes place in April is April Fools, okay? April Fool's Day. In Haiti, we call it Poisson d'Avril, okay? Poisson d'Avril. May is Mai, okay? Mai. May 18th is Flag Day, which is Fête drapo in Creole, okay? Mai. June is Juin, okay? Juin. July is Jiyè, okay? Jiyè. August is Août, okay? Août. September is Septanm, okay? Septanm. October is Oktòb. Oktòb. November is Novanm. Novanm. December is Desanm. Desanm. So we have Janvye, Fevriye, Mars, Avril, Mai, Juin, Jiyè, Août, Septanm, Oktòb, Novanm, Desanm. Thank you again for watching. As you can see, the months of the year in Creole are similar to the months of the year in French. And if you didn't know the months of the year in French, I hope this video really helped you learn not only new words, new vocabulary, but the months of the year in Creole.